In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the number of working days in Tableau using parameters and calculated fields. This is a handy feature for those who need to analyze business data based on workdays rather than calendar days. Let's get started by opening up the Tableau public app. Once you have that ready, access your worksheet. This is where you'll set up the parameters and calculated fields needed for this task. To begin, navigate to the data pane on the left side of your screen. Right-click and you'll see an option to create parameter. Select that option. The first parameter we're going to create will be named start date. For this parameter, you'll want to set the data type to date. This allows us to input specific dates into our calculations. Once done, repeat this process to create a second parameter, which we'll call end date. Just like before, ensure the data type is set to date. Next up, drag your date rows into the view and adjust them to show exact dates and set the display to discrete. The discrete setting will help in neatly segmenting the data, allowing for accurate calculations of the workdays between the dates. After you've set the dates as required, right-click on each of the parameters you created earlier, the start date and end date, and select Show Parameter Control. This step is crucial because it will allow users or yourself to input different dates easily without having to delve into the parameter settings again, making the date selection process simpler and more dynamic. Now, move to the menu and select Analysis, then choose Create Calculated Field. When prompted, you can name this new calculated field. For example, you might call it Number of Working Days. Here, you'll type out the query that computes the number of working days between your selected start and end dates. Once you're done, hit OK to create your calculated field. Now that your calculated field is ready, drag it onto a shelf to add it to your worksheet. This allows the field to be utilized for visualizations or further data analysis. Subsequently, drag this number of working days calculated field onto the text section in the marks card. Doing this means the result of the calculation will be shown as text in your visualization, offering clarity in your worksheet. Finally, once your parameters and calculated field are set, try adjusting the parameters. You'll notice that as you change the dates, the number of working days will adjust dynamically. This interactive feature is useful for statistical analysis and provides an intuitive way to see how changes in date selection affect your data set. And there you have it, a straightforward way to calculate workdays using Tableau. This capability can significantly enhance the insights you derive from your data by ensuring you're focusing on business days. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful.